What brought you to the decision to incorporate quantum therapeutics into your sound practice?
So that choice really came from being a client of QT first, and then doing my sound training and knowing already like what QT could do. And then through my sound therapy training, they really emphasized the fact that this is a really effective method in helping PTSD and C-PTSD. So it kind of just naturally came together of like, I think both will do great things. And
so you liked what it did for you, and so you decided to learn how to do it yourself.
Yeah.
Awesome.